Welcome to the ITMaster channel. We're thrilled to have you here and embark on this exciting journey of exploring the world of technology and IT mastery. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an aspiring developer, or simply curious about the latest advancements, our channel is dedicated to providing you with top-notch content that will inspire, educate, and entertain. Join us as we dive into various IT topics, from programming languages and software development and much more. We believe in fostering a vibrant community of learners, and we encourage you to actively engage with our videos by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll never miss any of our upcoming videos, and you'll stay updated with the latest tech trends and knowledge. At ITMaster, we are committed to delivering high-quality, insightful content that empowers you to become an IT expert and excel in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Our mission is to support your learning journey and provide valuable resources that propel you towards success. Thank you for choosing ITMaster, and we're excited to have you as part of our growing community of tech enthusiasts and learners. Let's learn and grow together. Welcome to the Illustrator Object Combining tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to combine vector objects in Adobe Illustrator to create complex shapes and designs. We will explore three different methods to achieve this: Pathfinder effects, compound shapes, and compound paths. Combining objects in Adobe Illustrator can be done using Pathfinder effects, compound shapes, and compound paths. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use each method. 1. Combining objects using Pathfinder effects. Pathfinder effects allow you to combine multiple objects using interaction modes such as unit/add, -font/subtract, intersect, and exclude overlap. Learn how to navigate the Pathfinder panel and apply various effects to create new shapes from overlapping objects. Select the objects you want to combine. Open the Pathfinder panel by going to Window Pathfinder. Choose the desired interaction mode from the top row of buttons: unit/add, -font/subtract, intersect, exclude/overlap. Click the corresponding button in the Pathfinder panel to apply the effect. 2. Combining objects using compound shapes. Compound shapes offer even more versatility than compound paths, as they provide four kinds of interactions: add, subtract, intersect, and exclude. Discover how to precisely manipulate shape modes, stacking order, location, and appearance of each path within a compound shape. Select all the objects you want to be part of the compound shape. In the Pathfinder panel, Alt-click, Windows, or Option-click, Mac OS, a Shape Modes button to assign the shape mode to each component. To change the shape mode of any component, select it with the Direct Selection tool or Layers panel and click a Shape Mode button. 3. Combining objects using compound paths. In this section, we explore the concept of compound paths. Create holes in objects by using one object to cut through another. Understand how compound paths work as grouped objects and maintain paint and style attributes from the backmost object. Select the objects you want to use to cut holes in other objects. Position them so they overlap the objects you want to cut. Select all the objects you want to include in the compound path. Choose Object Compound Path Make. Discover how to combine different shapes and create new ones using the powerful Shape Builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. This tutorial will guide you through the process of merging shapes to craft unique and cohesive designs. 1. Create the shapes that you wish to merge using the Shape Builder tool. 2. Select the paths you want to combine using the Selection tool. 3. Activate the Shape Builder tool by selecting it or pressing Shift+M. 4. To separate or extract a specific region from the shapes, use the pointer to select the area you want to merge. Additional anchor points will appear where the shapes intersect. 5. To merge the selected regions, drag along the area and release the mouse. The shapes will blend together to form a new, unified shape. Understanding art styles. The art style of the initial object from which the mouse drag was initiated is applied to the merging shapes. If no art style is available on mouse down, then the art style available on mouse release is applied to the merging shapes. If no art style is available on mouse down or mouse release, then the art style of the topmost selected object in the Layers panel is applied. Customizing coloring rules. Override the default coloring rules by selecting color swatches from the Pick Color from drop-down list in the Shape Builder Tool Options dialog. You can also set the Shape Builder tool options. Summary of Pathfinder effects. Get a quick overview of the different shape modes available in the Pathfinder effects, including add, intersect, exclude, subtract, minus back, divide, trim, merge, crop, outline, hard mix, and soft mix. Changing fill rules for compound paths. Learn how to specify whether a compound path uses a non-zero winding fill rule or an even-odd fill rule. Understand the difference between these rules and how to work with self-intersecting paths. Keep in mind the following additional information. In Pathfinder effects, you can't edit the original objects after applying the effect. Compound shapes provide more versatility as you can edit each object within the compound shape separately. Compound paths cut holes in other objects and maintain separate objects but act as a grouped unit. Remember that Illustrator provides different options for combining objects, so you can choose the method that best suits your needs. Practice combining objects using these methods to become familiar with their capabilities and create complex shapes in your illustrations. Tips and tricks. Discover some helpful tips and tricks to make your object combination process smoother and more efficient. Learn how to move compound shapes between Illustrator and Photoshop seamlessly. With this comprehensive tutorial, you'll gain a solid understanding of how to combine objects in Illustrator, opening up endless possibilities for your creative projects. Let's get started. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it both informative and engaging. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with others who might benefit from the content. Your support is invaluable to us, and it motivates us to create more valuable content for our community. If you want to take your learning experience with ITMaster to the next level, consider becoming a paid user in our community. As a paid user, you'll gain access to exclusive benefits such as early access to new content, in-depth tutorials, hands-on projects, and special live sessions with industry experts. Your subscription as a paid user directly supports our channel's growth and enables us to continue producing high-quality content that meets your needs. Join our exclusive community of IT enthusiasts and take advantage of all the additional perks that come with being a valued member. Thank you for being a part of the ITMaster community. We appreciate your support, and we look forward to bringing you even more exciting and enriching tech content in the future. Stay tuned, keep learning, and master the world of IT with ITMaster.